In this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access and use Academic Search Complete. We'll break this down into two parts. What is Academic Search Complete and how to use it. Academic Search Complete is a database, meaning that it contains articles from popular magazines, newspapers, peer-reviewed scholarly journals, and more. These articles are full text, and they're not just abstracts being just summaries of articles. This database covers a huge range of subjects, meaning you'll probably find numerous articles about your topic. It has lots of good sources. As you can see here, 7,100 full-text periodicals and 6,100 peer-reviewed journals. A lot of the materials that you're going to find in Academic Search Complete you can't find by looking in a Google search or by looking on Wikipedia. Academic Search Complete is accessible anywhere that has the internet, either on campus or off campus. To access and use Academic Search Complete, go to www.tri-c.edu/library. This is the home page for the Tri-C libraries. On the left-hand side of the screen, under Quick Links, click on Finding Articles. Once you've clicked there, select Academic Search Complete from the first link in the list in the center of the page. As I mentioned before, Academic Search Complete is accessible from off-campus. If you're prompted to, enter your S number and your password to gain access. This is the front page of Academic Search Complete. As you can see here, there's many different options to begin a search. What we want to focus on are keywords, limiting our results to full text articles, and setting a date range for our articles. Let's say, for example, you're writing a paper about global warming. What we can do here is input global warming in our search box, select full text to ensure that we receive full text articles rather than just abstracts, and then we'll set a publication date. Usually within the last 5 years is considered current. Once we have our keywords, our full text selected, and a publication date range selected, we'll hit the green search button up top. And here are our results. We received 9,341 articles from our search. That's way too many articles to go through. So what we need to do is use the options on the left-hand side of the screen under Refine Results. This way, we'll be able to narrow down our search to about 10 to 30 articles. We've already limited our results to full text articles and a publication date range from 2009 to 2014. If we scroll down, we can also refine our results by source types, subject thesaurus terms, subject, publication, company, geography, and NAICS industry. By using the options on the left-hand side of the screen, I was able to narrow my results down to 14 academic journal articles available in full text. We'll take a look at this article here, Understanding Recent Climate Change. If I hover my mouse over the magnifying glass on the right-hand side, it brings up the abstract of the article. This abstract is basically just a summary of the article and can help us decide whether or not it will help us with our research. If we click on PDF Full Text, it will actually display the article as it originally appeared in its original publication, complete with all the pictures, tables, graphs, and formatting. Over on the right-hand side, we have an option to print. We can email this article, and we also have the option to get the citation. If you hover your mouse near the bottom of the screen, you'll also have an option to save your article either to your computer, jump drive, or any other storage device you might have available. This concludes my presentation about Academic Search Complete. If you have any questions about anything that you've seen here, please contact your campus librarians.